Which hand priming tool is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Frankfurt Arsenal Platinum Series. Let's kick things off with the Frankfurt Arsenal Platinum Series hand deprimer tool. Priced at $58.84, it caught my eye because of its innovative design. If you want to efficiently remove primers from a wide range of calibers, this is worth a serious look. This tool features a patented universal collet system that can handle brass from .20 cal all the way up to .338 lapua. That means you're not just limited to a few types of ammunition. You can work on everything from your favorite pistol rounds to heavy-duty rifle casings. The ease of use is another highlight. It has an assisted ejection case holder and a removable spent primer catch tube, so you can quickly and effortlessly clear out your brass. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're reloading a lot, the last thing you want is to spend extra time fiddling with your tool. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it can be a bit bulky for smaller hands. Here's the thing though, while it might not be ideal for everyone, its ergonomic grip is designed to minimize hand fatigue, making it great for extended use. This is perfect for you if you're someone who reloads a variety of brass and values efficiency. Skip this one if you have smaller hands and need something more compact. For the price, it offers solid value considering its capabilities. Now, if that bulkiness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, rcbs 90201 Universal Hand Priming Tool. Next up is the rcbs 90201 Universal Hand Priming Tool, priced at $84.30. What really grabbed my attention is its universal case holder. If you're looking for flexibility, this one's definitely worth a closer look. That means you can switch between calibers seamlessly, which is perfect when you want to load various rounds in one sitting. One key feature is the hand priming control, letting you feel the primer seat as you work. This tactile feedback is crucial for consistent results. And the safety gate design ensures that the primer you're seating is isolated from the tray, reducing the risk of mishaps. Here's why this matters for you. Accurate seating can dramatically affect your shooting performance, so getting it right is essential. Now, some users found it a bit on the pricey side compared to alternatives. But honestly, the precision and ease of use make it worth the investment if you're serious about reloading. This is perfect for you if you value flexibility and ease of use in a hand priming tool. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just starting out. It's a solid investment for the serious reloader. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate simplicity. Product number 3, McJ Tools Reloading Chamfer de Burr Tool. The third product is the McJ Tools Reloading Chamfer de Burr Hand Tool, priced at just $22.99. What caught my attention is its multifunctional capability. If you're looking for a tool that does more than just one thing, this is worth a serious look. Made from high-speed steel grade M2, this tool is designed for durability and precision. It handles cartridge cases from .17 to .6 caliber, so whether you're working with smaller rounds or larger ones, it has you covered. The chamfer and deburr feature ensures that your cases are prepped properly, which is essential for reliable reloading. Here's why this matters for you. Having well-prepped cases can significantly reduce misfires and improve overall accuracy. But honestly, for the price, it's hard to beat the functionality you're getting, especially if you're just starting out. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly tool to help prepare your brass efficiently. Skip this one if you require a tool that prioritizes comfort over cost. It offers excellent value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something more traditional, the next one is definitely a classic. Product number 4, rcbs Hand Priming Tool. Coming in at number 4 is the rcbs Hand Priming Tool, priced at $62.79. This tool really caught my eye because it uses shell holders, which can be a game changer for some reloaders. If you prefer a more tactile experience, this is worth checking out. This model seats primers by hand, allowing you to feel each one as it goes in, which is essential for achieving a perfect seat. The safety separation feature also isolates the primer seating from the primer tray, reducing the chance of any accidents. Plus, it comes with large and small primer plugs for both rifle and pistol brass. Here's why this matters for you. Being able to feel the primer seat provides a layer of precision that can enhance your reloads. Some users noted that it requires specific RCBS shell holders, which could be a drawback if you have a mixed collection. But here's the thing, if you're already invested in RCBS products, this is actually a fantastic tool to add to your setup. This is perfect for you if you're already using RCBS shell holders and want a reliable hand primer. Skip this one if you don't want to invest in additional shell holders. It's a solid tool that brings great value. Now, for those who want a more automated solution, let's look at the last option. Product number 5, Lee Precision Auto Bench Priming Tool. Finally, we have the Lee Precision Auto Bench Priming Tool priced at $40.84. What stood out to me is its ergonomic design and ease of use. If convenience is your top priority, this tool is definitely worth your attention. This bench tool features a triangular tray that accepts all brands of primer boxes, which eliminates the hassle of compatibility issues. The large and small primer trays make it versatile for various calibers. This design is all about making the reloading process smoother, as you can quickly swap out trays without any fuss. Here's why this matters for you. If you're aiming for efficiency in your reloading sessions, this tool can help streamline your workflow. However, some users mention that it can be tricky to get the primers aligned perfectly. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the convenience this tool offers is hard to beat, especially for the price. This is perfect for you if you want a tool that makes priming quick and easy. Skip this one if you prefer a more tactile experience over convenience. It's a solid choice that provides great value for the money. So to wrap it all up, we've got the Frankfurt Arsenal Platinum Series, which excels in versatility. The RCBS 90201, great for those who want flexibility. The McJ Tools Deburring Tool, perfect for budget-conscious newbies. The RCBS Hand Primer for those already in the RCBS ecosystem. And finally, the Lee Precision for those who prioritize convenience. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.